Hello, and welcome to another episode of Good to Know Estate Planning Topics. Today, we're going to talk about why you should not rely on a holographic will. A holographic will is just a fancy way of saying a handwritten will. This type of will, as long as it fulfills a few requirements, is legal under California law. It may be honored by the court to fulfill a person's testamentary wishes. While this may seem like a simple and inexpensive path to distribute your estate, don't be penny wise and pound foolish. Years ago, I had a client retain me to probate his best friend's will. The friend, we'll call him Joe, met with an attorney who quoted him $1,500 to prepare a professional estate plan. Of course, Joe was both intelligent and frugal, so he thought he could save a few dollars by preparing the plan himself. Joe wasn't married, and he didn't have children, and he hated his siblings. He knew he wanted to give his entire estate to his best friend Sam, who was like a brother to him. So Joe went on the internet and researched the requirements for a holographic will and drafted it, naming Sam as his executor and as the beneficiary of his entire estate, which was fine, except that when we had to notify the family in the probate proceeding, which is required even though they're not named in the will, the family contested, saying that the will wasn't valid, that Joe wasn't competent when he signed the will, that Sam had unduly influenced Joe, and that the estate should rightfully go to the family. Because there wasn't an attorney involved that could attest to Joe's testamentary capacity and intent, the contest went all the way to trial. As you might imagine, trials can get expensive, so Joe saved the $1,500, but his estate ended up paying over $50,000 in litigation costs. And even worse, there was a chance that his true wishes to give everything to his friend Sam would not be fulfilled. Luckily in this case, the court found in our favor, but this was a long and stressful and expensive process that could have been avoided with a little bit of basic planning. So don't be Joe. Don't rely on do-it-yourself planning. If you care who inherits from you, see an experienced estate planning attorney. My name is Smyser, and we'll see you next time on Good to Know Estate Planning Topics.